Hey everyone! Today you're going to learn how you can write equations when you have just sentences, so how you can translate them to the algebraic form. So I'm going to show you some examples. We're only going to focus on how you can write the equations and on how to solve them. If you want to know how you can solve those equations, then I really advise you to have a look at the next video. Alright, so when we have a look at writing equations, we can solve and write equations when we want to solve problems. For instance, this one. Ethan thinks of a number. If he doubles a number and adds 4, he gets the same answer as multiplying the number by 10 and subtracting 8. My advice is to always use highlighters. So get your markers out and start painting. Because we're going to start with the first sentence again. Ethan thinks of a number. Alright, so how can we write down a number into algebraic form? We can do this by calling our number x. Then we're going to have a look at the second sentence. If he doubles a number, so he doubles a number. The number is still x, and doubles is of course times 2. So you get 2x. We're going to read along. And add 4. Alright. So we have 2x and we need to add 4. So that means plus 4. He gets the same answer. And this is one of the keywords for equals. So again, doubles a number, adds 4, he gets the answer. So that's the equal sign. As multiplying the number by 10. So again, on the right hand side of our equation, we have the number but multiplied by 10. And subtracting 8. Subtracting was a different word for minus, so we're going to subtract 8. What we get is 2x plus 4 equals 10x minus 8. And this is how we translated Ethan's thinking into an equation. If you want to know about which number Ethan thought of, then please have a look at the next video. Another example could be the angles of triangle KLM are n, 2n minus 1, and 3n minus 5 degrees. First of all, if you want to write this as an equation, what do we know about the angles of a triangle? Of course, we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. What we know as well is that we have angles called n, 2n minus 1, and 3n minus 5 degrees. So if we add them all together, our answer must be 180 degrees. So n plus 2n minus 1 plus 3n minus 5 equals 180 degrees. And please, when you do this, do not forget to write down your degree symbol. Alright, the next one. How can we write this as an equation? Mia is x years old. Chloe is 3 years older than Mia. Eva is twice as old as Mia. The sum of their ages is 51. Alright, first start with the first sentence. We know that Mia is x years old. So, x is Maya. If we have a look at Chloe, she is 3 years older than Mia. So that means that it's Mia's age plus 3. So you get x plus 3 for Chloe's age. Eva is twice as old as Mia is. Twice as old means double. And therefore, we need to have a look at 2 times Eva. And last but not least, the sum of their ages is 51. Sum was the same as adding, and therefore x plus 3 plus 2x is equal to 51. So this is how you need to write equations from problems. If you want to know the ages of all of them, you must solve those equations. If you want to know if you did it correct or not, then please have a look at the next video. If you have any questions, please let me know.